They go to church and they go back home. They'll pass a brother or sister on the road and they will never stop and say, hey, do you need a ride somewhere? The kingdom in motion says we must act. It takes action. We must show our light so that our good works can glorify God. Nobody will see who God is unless we are functioning in the earth. There's a concept that I want you to understand, and it's called the kingdom equation. The kingdom equation says S plus I times F plus P equal G. If you care to write it down, it's up to you. S is just, it's your body, it's the structure. I is the information, the instruction that God's giving you through the Holy Bible. F is your function. When the instruction and the structure comes together, you get a function. When you times that past the purpose that's in God's mind, he gets the glory. That's why the song says, to God be the glory, to God be the glory, to God be the glory for the things he has done. To God be the glory, to God be the glory.